promising a victory.
2,000 years later.
Hello, brother. How do you do? I'm fine. May I ask for you? Okay. What sport do you like? I like basketball because it can make me become tall. Oh, okay. What sport do you dislike? I dislike swimming because I cannot swim. What activities do you like? I like editing because it's so cool. What activities do you dislike? I dislike lazy because make me stupid. What movie do you like? I like horror film because they can rip my adrenaline. What movie do you dislike? I dislike Korean film because of the player. Oh, okay. What food do you like? I like fried chicken because it make me addicted. What food do you dislike? I dislike jengkol and pete. It's very smell. What music do you like? I like Ed Sheeran music. Whose title is perfect. Cool. Amazing. What music do you dislike? I dislike dangdut because it's not easy to hear. Okay, thanks you very much. Okay, see you later. See you again.